Welcome back, everyone, to another Phoenix Wright live stream. A little different, though. And Jaren popping right in with the sub right as we start. You were waiting. You were waiting, Jaren, weren't you? But thank you for the re-up, man. I appreciate it. Plug my controller in. I played the fifth. Let me get the audio going here for the game. Conveniently, right at the end of the track. There we go. Perfect timing. Let me get this in-game audio. Come on, crush fingers. Hope it works. We got audio. So we finished the first game nearly a month ago. It's getting close to a month since we finished the original Phoenix Wright Ace Attorney game. So I was feeling like I didn't want to play Duels of the Roses today. And I was like, there's only one thing I feel like I can go to for a good old throwback Thursday and really just enjoy the shit out of it. And that's jumping right back into the courtroom and getting into some Phoenix Wright. And now, it's Phoenix Wright Ace Attorney. I was going to say AIW branded, but I shouldn't say that. However, AIW does have a pay-per-view called Justice for All. So I'm just saying, maybe? Let's get into it. Ooh, episode 1, The Lost Turnabout. Why is there someone on the mic? What the fuck's going on in this one? Okay, let's do it. Now, I know literally nothing about this one. God, I love Tokata and Feud. How did I get into this mess? That's far enough. You can't run forever, Mr. Phoenix Wright. Oh God, it's the judge! It's his fanfic, isn't it? What have I done wrong? I could not allow you to go on like this. But I'm just a simple defense attorney. Silence! You are no longer worthy of your title. God! What the fuck's happening? They threw us into a nightmare. Literally. And it involved the judge. I don't know what the fuck was happening. This fanfic has evolved. Apparently. As I was saying before everything wanted to go batshit on me, I have not seen anything with this game. I didn't even know like the full title of it. I wasn't sure which one it was, so I had to double check it before I even like set up the stream. So I'm coming into this one fully blind. So this is just gonna end terribly. We all know that. September 8th, 9:08 a.m. District Court Defendant Lobby Numero 1. You know what? I'm not gonna lie. I would get that for my phone. I would totally get that as a ringtone for my phone. Who doesn't like Toccata and Fugue in D minor? Kicking back and relaxing. Yeah, man. What a nightmare. And I bet it was this ringtone that caused it. I really shouldn't be dozing off right before a trial starts anyway. Huh? Looks like they hung up. Ah, good. I finally found it. Talk about a close call. I hate to do this to you, but I don't know what he would really sound like. It's nothing personal, Mr. Attorney. He's got the weird bottom lashes. I don't get that. A few minutes later, District Court Defendant Lobby number 1. Phoenix Wright, what an absolute Chad. Oh, Lord. I want to know what the fuck is going on. Because we started in a nightmare, we wake up from said nightmare, and then we get beat in the head with a fire extinguisher. Ouch. My head. It's throbbing. Why does it feel so foggy in here? Are you gonna be our sidekick for the game? Because if you are, then you're gonna get the generic Maya, you're gonna get the generic sidekick female voice. I'm saying that early. Hey, security, what were you guys doing when Phoenix got dead? Good point. I don't, like, if she's gonna be the sidekick, I feel like she's just gonna get the generic voice. I feel bad for her. I've only got 4 voices, if that, in my female arsenal. Fuck it, since I don't know yet, you're getting the generic female sidekick voice. Good morning! Good morning? What's wrong? You don't look well! But is she gonna be the sidekick, or is this her only appearance? I don't know! I don't know if she's the defendant. I don't know if she's... like... I don't know, man. I don't know. People are at their best first thing in the morning. You're wrong. I woke up, like, an hour ago. And I'm still not awake. She really likes feathers, apparently, I guess. I don't know. That's a tiny-ass hat, too. Can we just point that out? That is a really tiny hat. Where's that fighting spirit? Sorry, but can you please turn the cheeriness down? Yeah, you need to turn that thing down to at least, like, 5. My head sort of hurts. Roger that! See, I was supposed to wake up at 8, and then I said no, and went back to sleep for an hour and a half. Am I in trouble or something? Huh? Trouble? Trouble. Wait, never mind. You're a policewoman, right? I thought maybe I had done something wrong. Wait a minute, if she's police, does that mean you can't be taking... Don't you dare take the place of our boy. If you take the place of Detective Gumshoe, I'm about to throw you out a window. I'm just saying, if she's taking the place of Gumshoe, we're gonna have some problems. If Gumshoe is not here, we're gonna have a lot of problems that need to be dealt with. Oh, you had to wake up because you started your tutoring job. How'd it go, Jaren? Were you the best tutor ever? Who's Gumshoe? How dare you? How dare you act like who's Gumshoe? Jen, you can't forget our boy. What are you talking about? I'm the one in trouble. So she is the defendant. What? I'm placing my life in your hands today, Mr. Wright. Life in my hands? You promised me! You said you would prove that I was not guilty! Not guilty? Just when I thought all hope was lost, when all the other lawyers had laughed me off! Oh no. Oh no. This is not good. She's one of those. She couldn't get anybody else to take her case, so she came to us. This is always how it happens.
Leave it to me, you said. You, the one and only Phoenix Wright, came to save the day. And just like that, I was moved to tears, sir. I'll never forget what you're doing for me, ever.
What is this girl blabbering about?
Actually, I really love to watch court proceedings, and I always root for you to win.
Oh, so she's a fan. Oh, her name is Birdie. I just noticed her name. Well, we don't know if the Butts is going to be in the tutorial yet. We don't know. Maybe the Butts is going to be a witness. We don't know yet. We gotta wait for the Butts. You can't just throw the Butts out there and just let everybody have the Butts early, man. Not this time around. They know of the Butts. So wait, is this Daniel Bryan and Bree's daughter grown up? I can see it.
When I'm off duty, I like to come here and... What's wrong? You've been acting really strange and you keep staring at me. You're making me kind of nervous, sir.
Oh, yeah, sorry. I'm afraid to ask. But here goes. So, this might sound bad, but, who are you? Or in the words of, Tamatanga, who the fuck is you?
What? Mr. Wright, how can you say that? How can you do this to the fragile heart of a girl about to go on trial?
I want to know what she did. Like, what is she being, like, what is she going on trial for?
You're absolutely horrible.
I mean, we've heard that before, so that's not new information. She killed 14 people. Dear Lord. Yeah, I don't think we're getting her out of that one if that's the case. No. I mean, I didn't mean it like that.
This is how a defense attorney treats his client, sir? I can't believe this!
No, it's just... Well, I think you have the wrong person. I'm...
Yes? I'm...
Oh no. Each feather for a single kill. They're like teardrop tattoos. Oh Lord, we have amnesia, don't we? Who am I? Why am I drawing a blank? Oh no. Oh no. We can't do it this way. He's gonna walk in there and not know what the fuck he's doing more than normal. The trial will begin shortly. Will the defendant and her lawyer please proceed to the courtroom immediately?
The trial's about to start. I'm counting on you in there, okay?
They aren't red naturally. She went Assassin's Creed 1 and dyed the feathers in blood. Oh my god, yes. Oh, that'd be great. I'd be down to defend her then. I guess I must have amnesia. Let's see. What can I piece together? From the sound of things, it's probably safe to say that I'm a defense attorney. And that girl, I said I'd prove her not guilty. The judge had that new fanfic. We're not in the courtroom, so he doesn't know about it yet. I can't believe I made such an irresponsible promise. Someone please Tell me this is just a bad dream. Why do I get the feeling this is one dream I won't be waking up from? September 8, 10 a.m. Hey, that's convenient. District Courtroom number 2. Oh, hey, it's Tutorial Prosecutor. Been a while since we've seen Tutorial Prosecutor. Oh, her name's Maggie Bird. Okay. So is this how the Edgeworth Phoenix tag team breaks up? I don't know, who knows? Court is now in session for the trial of the trial of Maggie Bird. The prosecution is ready, Your Honor. Name like Maggie Bird, she's absolutely a serial killer. She's known as the Magpie Killer. She leaves small carcasses of magpies near every body. Pain knows nothing but pain. What is it, Mr. Wright? Are you talking to me? Are you talking to me? I don't see anybody else here, so you must be talking to me. Goes into pain voice. This world shall know pain. Do you see any other defense attorneys here? I guess not. Now then, are you ready? Let's do this shit. Guess I should say yes. For now. Are you ready, Mr. Wright? Yes, Your Honor. Wait a sec. If her life is in my hands, I should really do the responsible thing. Actually, you see, Your Honor, my memory is kind of... This court will not hear the defense's excuses. Oh shit. The judge, I think the judge released a first draft of his fanfic already, and he's not happy with how the reviews from the publication company have come back. Because the defendant is a member of the police, his case is under great scrutiny. Therefore, we must make this trial fair, but swift. I believe I've told you this before. I hope you're not telling me you've forgotten. Actually, I have. Mr. Payne, your opening statement, please. Yes, Your Honor. As I'm sure you're all well aware, the defendant is accused of killing her lover. We're fucked. I bet it's gotta be true. It's always the spouse. It's always the spouse. What's worse, her lover was a fellow police officer. A policeman? You did what to a policeman?
It wasn't me. And besides, Dustin and I, we weren't lovers like that.
Sure they weren't. Sure they weren't. Sure they weren't.
In any case, the prosecution will prove that the guilty party is none other than the defendant.
Nah, sometimes it's the friend that got friend-zoned and rejected. More than likely it's the spouse, 9 times out of 10. But no, there's times. I've seen one case like that. You see a lot of those type of murder cases on 2020 and Dateline. Very well. Mr. Payne, please call your first witness.
It's been a while, Mr. Wright.
That it has. That it has. Tutorial Prosecutor Payne.
Let's see what you learned since last time. I won't show you any mercy this time, rookie.
We're not a rookie anymore. We've been doing this for like Phoenix's time frame at least a year probably, if not 2. At this point he's a veteran of the business, I'm just saying. Okay. And who are you again?
The prosecutor.
He's here. Yes. We can't lose. You're calling up our boy.
The prosecution calls Detective Dick Gumshoe to the stand. Here we go. Don't let me down, Mr. Wright.
Nowhere to hide. I'm so dead. It's like riding a bike, Phoenix. It'll come back to you.
Witness, please state your name and occupation.
Oh, it's been a while, Gumshoe. It's been a little while. My name is Dick Gumshoe, sir. I'm the detective in charge of homicides down at the precinct, sir. You don't look very well, detective. Well, sir, the defendant, she kind of works under me, so, yous know. Yous know. It's not good. I swear, if Phoenix wins a case while having amnesia, I'm gonna go to law school at that point. You work under that detective?
Yes, sir. And while I was a trainee, he was always watching out for me, sir. He's such a wonderful guy, sir. I'll never forget what he's done for me.
Goodell went on Good Morning Football? Sure, that was fun. Okay, calm down. I believe you.
Detective Gumshoe, please describe for us the details of this murder.
Yes, sir. It happened at the park near headquarters. The accent over the E is pronounced weird. Is it Expose Park? Or like something? I never know how to pronounce the goddamn accent. Expose Park? I think it's Expose Park. Because it's like Pokemon. Yeah. Because Pokemon's got the accent over the E. And that's what changes it a bit. That's sadly how I remember what an accent over an E does. I thought it was Expose. Look at me figuring shit out. It happened at the park near headquarters. Expose Park. Yeah, it's all fancy like. It's all fancy. The victim was one of the local cops, Dustin Prince. That just sounds like it's a character Freddie Prinze Jr. played. No offense, Freddie Prinze Jr. He's great. But it just sounds like a character he played. I don't know why. It just sounds like it. It was pushed down from the benches on the upper paths. The landing beat his body up bad and snapped his neck. I mean, it went all snap.
The details are listed in the report that was distributed yesterday.
Oh yes, this autopsy report, correct. Why do I not remember getting a copy? I see everything is in order here. Even the estimated time of death is unusually well documented. The victim's watch stopped from the impact of the landing, sir. The results of the autopsy confirmed the time of death.
If I may, Your Honor, the prosecution would like to submit this photograph. Look at this photograph. Every time I do, I don't laugh.
Very well. The court accepts it into the evidence. Hey, we got a photo. Now then, I recall at yesterday's preliminary hearing, a very important piece of evidence was brought to our attention.
Yes, Your Honor.
Yes, sir. Yes. I guess? Mr. Wright, is your head on right today? There was a very crucial piece of evidence found under the victim's body. Was there?
Have you lost your mind?
Well, actually, it's just nerves. Give me a second.
What? How can you talk like such an amateur? I thought you were a pro, sir.
I saw Steve Nash as the Nets head coach. Literally, I got overly excited. I'm not a Nets fan, but just the fact that, like, I really like Steve Nash. So I was like, oh, that's cool, awesome. Go Steve Nash.
Alright, sir. I'll help you through this. At a time like this, maybe you ought to take a glance at the court records.
Ah! These look like your glasses. I'm just gonna say, you're in deep shit right now. Court record?
Yep, info about evidence and people involved with this case are all listed there, sir. You can look at the court record by pressing the R1 button.
Huh, I found this in my pocket, but I don't remember what it means or how it got there. It's a cellular device. The R1 button, huh? You really know what you're talking about, don't you? She played the first game.
It's too bad I'm a cop, right? Just think, I can totally be a legal aid instead.
They're making the jokes here. Mr. Wright. Yes, Your Honor. Court is in session. Save your chit-chat for later. Sorry, Your Honor. Well, I guess I better check the court record. See what I can find. What was it again? The R1 button? Alright, Mr. Wright. Let's see if your notes are in order. What was the piece of evidence found underneath the victim's body? Glasses, Your Honor. That's simple, Your Honor. A broken pair of glasses. That's right. Look at you, Phoenix. Look at you, Mr. Wright, doing quite well right now. You know what? I'm gonna add that to the sequel. Add that to my sequel fanfic. This one will sell millions of copies. Just gives no fucks this summer. I told you he's pissed at the publication company. V-Dub, welcome to the stream, my man. Nothing much going on. You came in right at the beginning of this here trial. The victim grabbed his killer's glasses as he was being shoved, sir. He pulled them right off their face and held on to them as he fell.
Hey! Why are you giving me the evil eye?
I didn't know Phoenix had an evil eye. Nice of me to join the fun. Yeah, man. Yeah, gotta join in the fun. Who doesn't like a good trial? That's essentially half the shit we stream. It's just trials. You got Danganronpa trials, which make me emotionally invested and sad at the fact that certain people have died. And then you got Phoenix Wright trials, which... yeah, it's Phoenix Wright trials. those glasses you're wearing.
Nah. Yes, this is my spare pair. But these glasses they found at the scene of the crime are not mine. I swear, sir.
You sure about that? Okay, Amnesia Phoenix, worst defense attorney ever. He's already blaming the defendants for probably being the killer.
Look, it was a coincidence. On the same day, I accidentally stepped on mine.
A coincidence, she says.
Your Honor, I have further evidence to present.
Oh, you have more.
And this evidence is very decisive.
Very well. Let's hear from our witness about this evidence. What you gotta say, Gumshoe? There's something even more incriminating than the glasses under the victim's body, sir. During his date, the victim was pushed from the bench area, but he managed to write the culprit's name on the ground where he landed. Wait a minute. Wait a damn minute. I think I spot a I spy with my little eye a contradiction right off the goddamn bat. If our murdered victim was dating my defendant, or was dating my